welcome to May 1st. And today's a beautiful day here. Let me show you the route, because I think the unfortunate thing is that I think we're coming into some weather, so actually severe weather. We'll play it by ear. Weather is weather, right? So today we're up here in Alexandria. We're going to shoot across this way near this town of Budsville, I think it is. Burkeville. I'm going to travel up here, and then I'm not sure exactly the route, but we're going to find our way back to somewhere called Lufkin. So I think there's some roads that don't show up on here that I can take that put us in Lufkin. So we're looking at that. Anyway, let's cross our fingers for weather, and I'm certainly not riding in severe weather, so we'll maybe get some laundry done, who knows. And we'll see when we're on the road this morning. Later. Because I know you wonder what's for breakfast, I'm going to take you for a walk through some pastries and ever popular bagels. Those are. There was some fruit. Other oatmeal or gravy. Oh yeah, that would be the gravy for the biscuits. Ooh, eggs and hot potatoes. We got some mixed green, we got some fruit. I like that. Some juices. Oh, and some yogurt. Over here, we have cereals and waffles. Hey. And of course coffee, which I'm going to have right now. We're on the road again, and we're using our Detect app. Fuzz. I don't know what the difference between sheriff and police are, but I don't want to find out. Anyway, so we're off to Lufkin today. We're going to take the one of the special routes, so we're looking forward to that. I'm excited. Gasoline. And then we'll be on the road. That should get us where we're going for the rest of the day. I'm just going to do a quick tire check here. I didn't think this morning how that's looking. Yeah, we're getting down there. I don't know, I may have to stop and get this changed. So we're about a half an hour in. I don't know if you can see up there on the horizon. That could be the leading edge of the thunderbusters in the weather that's in Texas. So, I don't know. But we've got about 8 miles to go, and then we're going to be heading along the side of that, going north for the fine motorcycle road. One of the best motorcycle roads in America. So, but it's interesting to see that, because we are expecting weather in Texas. Welcome to Texas! We're in Texas, we made it! Now we're coming to the weather. There we go, there's the sign, we're in! First time in Texas for me, what about you? He's coming in here Lots of twisty turnies. Whoa, baby. Oh, turtles. In the heart of Texas. Well, you'd never find this on your own, so it's a good thing someone's discovered it. Showing us where it is. Thank you, whoever. To get a couple of drone shots, give it a shot. It seemed pretty quiet. It was a good spot, although it's windier up there than you think. And I could actually literally hear the thunder. So, it's the moral of the story. We're going to get our ass in gear and get out of here. Resume our drive, and hopefully we'll miss that little thunderbuster. As I say, we got some rain, we got some weather coming in. We were expecting it, but we're just hoping it would be in the hotel before I have to face any of that nonsense. All right, my friends, welcome back to the show. Resume, let's go. Let's go and fall over. Found a place. Had my lunch with these good old boys from the Department of Transportation underneath this covered area. Pretty cool, I think. All right, so I brought my lunch, as you saw this morning, and so I'm going to eat that. It'll be all good.
We was laying a pipeline. I loved it. I done it since I got out of high school. Made good money. Robert,
and down there you're?
Bryce.
Brat?
Yes.
Brad?
Bryce.
Bryce.
Bryce, yes.
Yeah. Jesse, like Jesse James.
Jesse James.
We made him leave his guns at home.
As soon as you walk out the house, the humidity it is, you sweat.
Heat index 130, 150. It was hot.
Looks like him, I'll take him, but He just goes fishing. I go catching.
Yeah.
But I mean, I enjoy going by myself because you get out, get away from all the worldly things. You don't have to worry about nobody, all the stresses behind you. You just go fishing. That's what I like.
Yeah.
That's the best thing about it.
You married or how you happy?
Just got engaged.
Oh, congratulations.
Friday.
So when's the big day?
Oh, it'll be probably next spring.
Oh, so how'd it go? Tell us about your proposal. Was it like something special or?
I did it. There's a place in Orange, Shangri-La Gardens or something down in Orange. So I took her there. She's a florist. So she liked to be around flowers.
Right.
I took her over there and did it.
Get down on one knee. Did you do that thing?
Did it on the knee.
Oh yeah.
Did it on the knee.
Oh, what a guy. Good for you. The road again. And that was a nice meeting with those boys. Road workers. Anyway, on the road, we'll see you on the bike. We're back on track. We have about, we got some things to do. I also booked Best Western for the night. And see how that goes. And it's good to be back on the road again. Okay, I guess I look a mess, but here's the point. I am gassing up. This is the final run. The tank, she's mostly full. After that, there was no water to clean the windshield. There's this fine Kamoko station. The stuff that the horror stories are made out of. Weird guy inside. And, okay. Navigation is ready. 42 minutes, 58 kilometers, and we are out of here. Full engine start. Ooh, I love the sound of that bad boy. I know I do. But then I'm an addict. What can I tell you? Now, is there anyone coming? We got to sell some open highway here, boys. Here, I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, and it's balls to the walls traffic. Here we go. That's a nightmare getting into that turn. I missed it the first time. Oh, it was so awful. Just had to complain to somebody. Thank you.
That's okay.
Love.
John?
Tacos was closed where I was going to go, and I ended up coming to this great little barbecue restaurant. And it's a gas station too, so it's handy. So there's the brisket. I think that's pulled pork, bread, some barbecued beans, and coleslaw. And because it's a gas station, got this right next door. Isn't that great? Fantastic. So this is the restaurant. Gotta say, that was a diner driving me dimes experience. It was so good. Oh man. Good. There's my man who looked after me.
Yes.
And I had the 2 meat plates. So, and what's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas?
Yes.
And you've been here for a while?
I've been here 6 years.
I got a seafood sausage.
I'm gonna try
Love
one.
it. A seafood sausage. It's got crab and shrimp and a sausage. Then I got boudin. It's pork. From this is the boudin. This is the seafood sausage.
Seafood sausage?
No,
Boudin.
That's the boudin.
And what is it boudin exactly?
It's rice and they mix pork meat in it. It's homemade. They put it in like a case and stuff it. Pork, rice, and that's what that is. And they did the same thing with this. They took shrimp and crab meat and stuffed it in as a sausage.
The boudin? Boudin?
That's the boudin.
Boudin. Oh,
Now that's like a New Orleans Cajun type of boudin.
Oh man, that's good.
It's got a little spice to
Got
it.
a nice little spice to it.
Not burning, but just a little kick to it.
Seafood? What kind of seafood in here?
Shrimp and crab. Something different.
Tangy.
Yeah, that's the shrimp.
That's so good. And I want to thank you.
Very
Thank you
well.
much. It's such a treat. You've made my day. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.